Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark their current support and resistance levels. So when we look at the events plan for today is February 3rd. We have medium impact news planned for Swiss franc related currency pairs. At 7 p.m. we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Again at 8:30 p.m. we have high impact news for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect lots of volatility in US dollar related currency pairs today. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in weekly time frame now. When we look at the price action in weekly time frame, in the past, we have noticed it to continuously trend on the bullish trend, and from the level of 1960, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. Let us find out whether the actual bearish trend reversal has started or if it is only a retracement on the bearish side to gather enough momentum to continue its bullish trend. But looking at past candles, we can understand that bearishness was getting weaker as it went into the resistance level from the past price action. So it was struggling to break this resistance level, and eventually it has formed a red color candle. But let us use the Fibonacci tool to understand whether it has broken any important support levels. So I have used the Fibonacci retracement tool. Here we have the 61.80%, which is around 1896. And in the past, we have noticed a price action to take support at this level and to continue its bullish trend. And currently, we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So if the price action bounces back also, previous support level, which is around 1896, will be again acting as a support for the current price action also. And since the price action has not broken this support level of 1896, we can still expect the bounce back on the bullish side based on the past price actions. And once the price action breaks the support level of 1896, it will be the start of the bearish side trend reversal in weekly time frame for now, because it will be breaking the previous support level of 18.96 and also the support level of 61.80% in the Fibonacci tool, which will give the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal. We are already seeing the signs of it, but the confirmation has not come in the weekly time frame. Let us look at the price action in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame. Let us look at the trend of the price action in daily time frame. I'm drawing a trend line or a support line, which is the simplest way to find out the current trend. And here yesterday's candle has clearly broken this trend line with a very high volume, which shows the strength of the bearishness in this candle. And we already know from the weekly time frame that this is a very strong support level. So once the price action breaks the support level of 1895, it is a confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal in weekly time frame, and also we can expect the same trend to follow in daily time frame also. And when we look at the candlestick pattern, we can notice a similar to one double top pattern, where this level of 1895 will be acting as a neck level of this double top pattern. Wait for the price action to break this neck level, start its bearish side retracement. So for now, although the price action has broken this previous trend with a high volume candle, it could also be considered as a retracement as long as it is trading above this weekly time frame support level of 1895. We have one confirmation. Let us wait for the second confirmation also in order to enter into the bearish side trades. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. In 4 hours time frame, I have drawn a resistance line where we have noticed a past price action to respect this resistance line and to bounce back on the bearish side. And finally, we have noticed a price action to break this daily time frame trend line or the support line with a very high volume candle, which shows the current market is in the hands of sellers. But still, from the higher time frame, we know that this level of 1895 is a very strong support, and this level of 1960 is a very strong resistance. Although the price action has broken the daily time frame trend, it still hasn't broken the weekly time frame support level of 1895. So as long as the price action is trading above this support level, we still have the chances for the price action to take support on this support level and to continue its current bullish trend. So in 4 hours time frame also, I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this support level in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trades. But if you are a scalper, we know that these are all the very strong resistance and support level from the higher time frame. You could be scalping within this resistance and support levels in the lower time frames, as long as these levels are not breached. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1912 and the resistance level of 1922. Once the support is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1899 to 1895. This whole area is going to be acting as a strong support level for the current price action. And if the price action takes support at the support level of 1912 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1922. Once this resistance is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1930, 1936, 1941, 1948 and 1960. And as long as the higher time frame resistance level and support levels are not broken, we can expect a sideways price action to start in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, from the 4 hours time frame resistance line, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side. After testing the support level of 1901, we have noticed a price action to again bounce back on the bullish side retracement. In this price action, we have noticed a inverse head and shoulder pattern to be formed. It has also completed this retracement, and after testing the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, we have noticed a price action to make a bearish side bounce back. So current fall is only the retracement of the inverse head and shoulder retracement it had made earlier. It is not a trend reversal on the bearish side. So in hourly time frame also, we can expect the range bound market to continue as long as this support level from the higher time frame and the resistance level from the higher time frame is not broken. And the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1917. Once this resistance level is broken, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1926, 1933, 1939, 1943, 1947, 1951 and 1960. And once this higher time frame resistance level of 1960 is broken, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. We also have the 4 hours time frame resistance line running over here. We also have the chances for the price action to bounce back from this resistance line on the bearish side retracement, because in the past also we have noticed a price action to bounce back from this resistance level. And on the bearish side, if the price action bounces back from the resistance level of 1917, the immediate support is going to be around 1905 and 1895. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame also, we are not noticing any trend. Only we are noticing the price action to make a little bit of retracement for the previous fall it has made yesterday. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to take support on the support level of 1911 and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And if the resistance level of 1920 is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1925, 1930, 1935, 1941, 1949 and 1960. And if the price action bounces back from the resistance level of 1920, the immediate support is going to be around 1911. And once this support is broken, next level of support is going to be from the higher time frame support level of 1895. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, previously it was respecting this resistance line from the 15 minutes time frame and was trending on the bearish side. After breaking this resistance line, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So currently the price action is trying to break the resistance level of 1915. Once this resistance level is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1918. And if the price action fails to break the resistance level of 1915, the immediate support is going to be around 1912, 1910, 1908, 1906, 1902, 1898 and 1895. And in 15 minutes time frame also, currently we are noticing the price action to make a bounce back or retracement to the previous day's fall. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.